Hi all. Till now we have created route, subroute, screen and screen section. Now let us look at how we are going to update route and screen. So I'm just running this particular of code to update few fields. When during creation we don't require all the fields, but whenever there is a usage, we try to fill more fields as per our usage. So we got a requirement to fill up few fields on the route and screen section screen. So we are going to see the demo on how to edit those values. So I'm just running this particular piece of code. Now route has been updated. Now I'm navigating to screens. I'm opening one of the screen and updating the maximum number of records and saving it. Thank you for watching the demo.